Let us start this design with a layer of the milky white gel for the background and cure the nail for 60 seconds. It should look like this after 2 layers. Once the background is done, apply matte top coat and cure the nail. Apply nail glue where you will place your pearls and caviar beads. When you are happy with the placement of the nail decoration, cure the nail for 60 seconds. Finish the design with matte top coat and try avoid getting matte top coat on the pearls and caviar beads. On the second nail we will make a pattern and we are going to start with the color white. Paint thin lines both diagonally and vertically with the color white and cure the nail. Take the black color gel and do the same thing as the white color, but try to paint the lines not on top the white lines, preferably on the side if possible, and then harden the nail. To lift the pattern on the nail, apply the silver gel color randomly on the nail and cure. Once the pattern is in place, apply matte top coat. To make the design pop, we will apply some nail decoration to the nail and cure the nail. On the third nail we will apply the nail sticker. I am trying to achieve a luxurious design with the nail stickers. If the sticker does not fit the nail, clip it to remove the excess of the nail sticker. Apply matte top coat on the nail and cure the nail. Apply the black bow in the center of the nail and then apply the pearl. Don't forget the caviar beads and nail glue. Cure the nail when you are satisfied with the placement of the nail decoration. Apply matte top coat on the nail design, but try to avoid getting matte top coat on the nail decoration and cure the nail for 60 seconds. On the last nail, start by applying a nail sticker to the left side of the nail and press the nail sticker so that it sits properly on the nail before moving on to the next step. Let's apply matte top coat first on the nail before going to the next step. We will make a pattern that resembles a falling curtain with caviar beads and the pearls. Start by applying the bow as a starting point and then place the caviar beads and the pearls. For the last time today, apply matte top coat on the nail and try avoid getting matte top coat on the nail decoration. Please let me know in the comment which design is your favorite. I hope you have learned something from this nail art tutorial. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.